Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
Gave them the first choice.
Why do you mind
they did not understand our value. Let somebody, if you saw something on Kasasiro, you have to surrender it to Karoli. Why do you fight Karoli?
Because it picked what you rejected.
Yes. If you use a toilet paper and you flush the water, do you expect to retrieve the toilet paper?
I don't want to get into that conversation.
Why do people... Nobody can control my head. You can go to court. If you see me, when you are UCC, I don't mind. To be in quarter, the shift of UCC, as who?
As a broadcaster,
you go to a relevant minister.
No, the fact you get here, obeying them UCC,
UCC.
Controlling. If
you invite,
as you say, listen to you.
If you invite a non-Christian into a mosque, they know us. They know I'm not answerable to them. If they agree, you see, UCC is for arbitration. If I don't want arbitration, go to court. It's not mandatory that I should go.
The duty is mine to handle
jurisdiction. Social media, jurisdiction.
For as long as you are broadcasting.
No,
for as long as you are broadcasting.
They register with you.
Yes.
If a powerful China has failed to control, you get to get I lose my temper. You don't cook what I'm going to come office. And you can't get a Mirundi by a little one. Nagambo Secretary of Police. The Motoka told me the Motoka you see, hey, or Lina Dukanagamba, me period, you can't to one to gain the Freedom Square and cook bait to a kube. Or to get into Uganda, you're missing Omudari Olympics or Webby Condi. Waka you could attend Kutwadi. The other said you didn't wait. No, we don't waste time here. How going? Omusaja to make the Mutokayanga against Abadadi Napusim or Quatayang. You don't wait. You don't need to go to Kampala. I'm going to get the cook to get the what you could Freedom Square and cook bed with Jemma money. To get the Waka you could angle Wandakala. Or to get into Uganda, your fear of Mudari Olympics and Mobiconde.
Stamina which condo mujo
soba bulungi kati siri soba gwe kankubuliriza
zimanyi gombulira
nze ebbalanga obudde olutali mu bbala sifuluma nze nsembayo mala kubala mirambo nze sifuluma nga sinnabala mirambo ngakule mu bbalanga mwedi gwe lutakule mu bbalanga mwedi nze nsembayo nga maze okubala emirambo.
Katugende Kenya. William Samoei Ruto, president wa Kenya, mukalulu akalimu amatanka ne aganti akaluluba.
Let me tell you, in the fact we am writing about Kenyan politics because I've written much about Kenyan politics. Nze politicating ebintu bya. The things you would learn from the Kenyan politics is one.
Tell me to soma. We respect them. What do we learn?
One. We have a politician, we have a statesman, we have a liberator and a second liberator. We have a role assigned to you by the population. Unless you sit down and analyze what role does the society want you to do, zinyizo okwesimba ku bwaka bwa parliament n'enfuna zero. Not because these people don't want me, but they see me as a reformer.
You don't have the patience to be
in parliament, be the best parliamentarian. Name system when ya caucusing sigenda mumfiramu. That's why people like Nsereko, Sechikuba and others must become rebel MPs to assert themselves. In any political party, even a single political party, a single system, the backbenchers must be allowed to express their feelings. When it comes to a budgetary speech, every member must be allocated 20 minutes This is why kyesimira bamwongerangamu eddakiika 2 olw'okunanaagira. Naye when you have caucusing nti balonzeeyo basatu be bagenda okwogera, it has an impact.
But if you bw'oba oliwo NRM ngamanya nti ye system newasimira mu system you must abide by the rules.
It kills. That's why the opposition people shine. When you look at the Hansard in the future, abana baffe bazzukulu baffe bajja tubuuza bano parliament yakolanga etya. When you bring a motion, all of the people criticize it, but because when it comes to abalambazi, then they pass the bill. So you must understand, society ekwagala ngani? Society eyagala Raila Odinga, not as a leader.
As what? The public?
Yes. Ye Shikuku. Joseph Martin Shikuku. Shikuku bamwitanga the wananchi ambudizimani.
So bamwagala bwagazi nti you want me to be
to
what?
Fight golwana chi. Who can invite now Luchamus to a function? Yerolo jimamu Luchamus at one time yayambanga nyo NRM. Ngabali nda Luchamus na commenting ku kintu. Nibambategere ekyo kifudde. Tewali we NRM agenda kikkiriza. So you must understand which role that the society want you to play. And once you understand the role of the society kyekwagaza, which is not easy, nti totegeera society ekwagaza ki.
Oyagala kungamba nti bannakenya tebagala nkola Raila Odinga kubeera president waabwe. But they have been voting for him.
Anti nkubuli tawangula. Support, you see, support nti olaba home ground. Crowds in the political science don't mean anything. They are psychological. Tunuli abe NRM. NRM is very unique in mobilization. NRM tena nyimba.
Naye somba.
Halagide.
Basomba.
Atuwebe sija kalulu haja halagide. Mwina alimba ine nyimba. Mwino tuino bululu mwine mondo. Tuino bululu mwino mondo tuino bululu. Sloganizing. NRM tumanyi sloganizing.
Era kwekuunzika
nti crowd anti chemulowoza. Yes. Where you find a political party that organizes public rallies in a tent, when the intention of a public rally is to instill fear, crowd, but when you get sensible people like me, crowds are very converted into voters. The moment you fail to convert large crowds into omukazi alina olubuto aba yagenda okuzaala abalongo mumubeeramu omwana omu nga ali overweight lwaki babapima ku minzaani. Two, Raila
ogatta bwoti obanga azimba ekintu ate n'omenya.
Anti nemenya ki.
So you believe NRM wins elections
genuinely?
Do you believe
NRM
that?
wins.
Do you believe that?
Yes.
Tamale?
Yes. NRM wins. Yes. Nakugamba nti lwaki NRM ewininga. Museveni yaleeta enkola emba n'agikuulamu amannyo. I'm doing more work than the opposition. How do you convince a person nti gundi kubanga abantu ba Uganda bamanyi nti semwogerere yafuna emirembe nga opposition leader? Could UPC have allowed Bobi Wine to construct a permanent building? This is the perception of an opposition Ugandans have. Nti tebalima kambugu enkoko ya Kabaka ikanga tesalena abadipinga tebayinza. Era waliwo omusajja omusoga yayiiya oluyimba owaddipi talifuga n'obutongole talibulya okera olutwa bwe yawamba obote bamusaza musumeni omusoga yaluyimba dipi negenda mu parliament okuluwakanya ne baga kati this is the perception of the population. When they see mpuuga awerekeddwako emizinga opposition leader, then you are not an opposition leader. Nti when the balokole came, do you see balokole in the castles? Abalokole bambale gandolo masuti
kuba masubaki usamu ekyo
to change because the original. Yes.
You don't want to look because the castle komala kusoma ogisomerera.
The difference between a married woman and a prostitute is what?
The one is confined. Yes, but one is called
asa prostitute afuna olubuto abatakyali prostitute kati alina omusajja ekitegeeza Museveni yabaleetera enkola eya universality n'abaleetera enkola erya as we speak today namboza ali mu America
tugende ku Raila ogambe bantu bagala Raila
abantu
bamunyumira bunyumirwa nga comedian political comedian
reforms era abakoledde reforms he would end there.
He's a reformist.
He's a reformist.
He's a
reform. You see politics like a woman. When you beautify your woman, you mugulire engoye nyingi nga bwe toyambala omusindikira balala. She goes to another group. When you buy your wife 2 gomeses, buy 10 suits. Musigale mubireka somukazi amakuganti. Wabadde wano yewe wange.
Ngolabika bwotyo.
Sanga mukubo, jakunsanga mukubo. Atule no nze natudde mbakyala bannange. He doesn't want to associate with you. Kakati this man is credited for reforms. Raila Odinga
to reform many
Kenya to make reforms. That one he has
political, electoral.
Yes, beyond. Why? Not because he wanted, but because he has been fighting for power. Ngayagala nnyo obwa president. Buli babadde bamuwangula ng'afuna kye yeekwasa n'akijjawo.
Nagenda mu kooti n'awunzika
era nga bw'awunzika tebamuwa. This is why
ne bakozesa kyalwanyisizza
ekiyamba abalala nti Raila Odinga in the process because it has been for a long time has ended up destroying every person in his government, has been playing with everybody bamusoka bamudavadi bani bonna yakola nabo. Tigoyinza okuba omusajja ne weeyita nti oli mugezi naye nga kuduuka tosasula. It comes a time nga bonna bakubanja nga tokyalina ekyo ojja kintu. Politics, I tell my friends in NRM, politics is based on alliances. Alliances is based on mutual respect and trust. Not to use somebody as a hunting dog. Politics means who gets what, sharing.
Mutual respect.
Ngembwe wali sente bwe tufuna 5 billion ngembwe tujigobanga ate tujikomyawo mu kalulu tukolere tuleka kiko ngoyo wa mujja wa Mirundi ya muzaladi. This is not alliances.
Eyo tutuuseyo tutya.
Anti nkubuulira this man has been using the people and dumping them. Raila ani gwatakolaganye naye mu Kenya. Raila ani gwatakolaganye naye n'alwana naye. Raila fought Moi. Politically he merged with the Kanu. Ekibiina kibali bakiyitaani. When Moi refused to anoint him as his successor n'avaayo. He worked with Kibaki's government. What happened? Najja national as Museveni helped them to lay down the foundation of unity. Bwe yajja yakola ki? As the Minister of Works yakuba ennyumba z'abakikuyu zonna nti ziri mu luguudo. Ani akuddemu okukwasa pawa? Najja mu ono Raila Uhuru tamuwaddeko mulimu gwonna. If Uhuru wanted to rehabilitate and rebrand Raila yalimize empeka ekawa gye yakoze mu sekendi mu kalulu akaddako yalize ne Raila nga vice president, but he feared if you cannot work with him in the government, why do you leave him to others? Nti Museveni kyabasinza nti Museveni
ogamba nti second term ya yandibadde yafuula Raila deputy president instead of Ruto.
Nti ye Museveni bamugamba Museveni taddira abaana baffe n'abateekamu abasajja abo ababadde mu magye g'Obote. Ye yategeera nti amagye galina luluzi zaago. Oba obadde mu magye g'Obote oba gaani, can you fire a gun? Ideology onoosigalayo nga bw'oli abantu bakutte. You kill a person, we kill you. Kati obajja n'empisa zo gw'olina okukola ki? Muganda ga nti omuyonjo omutono gwe guweta enkoko ekyuse. Most of our celebrated generals and the former army commanders did not have a stint in the bush. N'abaleeta basemwogerere DP yagireeta mu 86. Aba DP ne bagamba ffe tufuga government. Semwogerere arrogantly said, if you want to see the contribution of the Democratic Party, look what the district leadership. Look what he got in Kampala. naye this man.
So you want to say Raila bwaga nti bamubye ne ba commissioner abakudde okulona ne baga nti ebintu babigase mu matankane.
They are stupid. Why? These people are stupid.
The commissioners.
The commissioners are stupid and they are creating trouble for Raila Odinga. Let me ask you. I normally pose questions. Akatabo kange kano okalaba nakakuleetedde. Why Ugandans are gullible? Guidelines were logical debate. Nkakuwa. Abantu mwigo ku reasoning liye.
Akatabo ke bampadde kaga nti why Ugandans are
gullible.
Ku katabo ka Ugandans are gullible atenda ko mutwe gwa byandala.
Anti byandala bamuga nti yabbi. Kuliko byandala, kuliko kadaga, kulikana. Tikadaga yakala kusuula Museveni. Ate no muteka mu ministry ga East Africa.
Okay.
Hakuna akili. Argument defeated.
Kana wakandi kidachika ngammeka.
Hey.
How many minutes did you
take? Tolaba. Nti ham. Olaba hamu ekintu kyagala okukola waliwe bakayanira. Tunulira Baganda. Look what this Baganda, Buganda Land Board.
Mbulage kye bagala
laba hamu kyagala okukolawo. Even if this is a youth development sports center, even if nti Buganda Land Board yetunda, would evaluate oli kino n'agenda okukolawo wettaka lirye ekyapa kisazibwamu kitya. Look what this man.
So olwokuba agenda kuzimba ekintu ekirungi.
You would know okimanyi mu mateeka nti ekizimbe tekiyimirira. There is no court that can demolish ekizimbe ekigenda okukola ki ekigenda okuyamba eggulu. Ejudge abatali bamwe bantu naye laba omusajja kyagala obakola and he has the money naye balina omuyindi balyeko enjawulo badduke. Kakati nkugamba
kala akatabo kampadde
nti logical. Let me give you a question. If your name releases results, listen.
I'm listening to you.
I'm giving
and
it
waiting
to you.
for the question.
I've given it to you.
Wonderful.
But you are used to people who give you and grab. Me, I'm not used. So it's
like who else?
Remain is yours. I'm not taking it anyway. I'm not going to grab it because I've already given to you. By the time I give you one book, I have 100. You won't understand that. The main comfort.
They give you and grab. Okay.
Hey, kati nkugamba nti using my logical guidelines, if your neighbor releases exams and the school comes out and says these are not our exams, the results are not correct, we are cheated, and 4 examiners out of 7 come out and support the school, how do you conclude?
Me, I would conclude that there was actually there was a problem in examining and marking the exams.
No.
If the examiners themselves agree with the school that was...
That's a simplistic matter. For serious people who be defend on reason, and the fact the coming of these commissioners to disown the results adds more votes to Ruto. Imagine the damage these 4 commissioners inflicted on the results. Because originally they were for Raila.
That's your interpretation.
Yes, that's what it means.
Now.
These are Raila people because they are Kenyans. Then when the 4 commissioners come out to disown the results, it means they inflicted more damage.
You have told me
Ruto would have got more votes than you add on the impact. You add on the impact of these idiots.
Tamale, 2 things you have done. Ongamba bulijjo nti oli mu Katoliki ate oli Muganda. Despite being so, you oppose what they do.
Yes.
Yes.
Because so I have my
being a commission doesn't mean I must agree with everything you bring.
When do you ballot?
When do they have voted?
Let me give you another example. If a man is accused of cannibalism, a woman comes up and says, my husband is a cannibal. We ask, for how long have you been here? If you had divorced this man, then he would get you, listen to your evidence.
Yes, tumaze naye emyaka 2 naye musezi.
Naye musezi.
Nkyogera kati.
Nga kubi akute n'omusajja.
Naye musezi.
Because the election is in Kenya is a process. At what level do you detect that things are becoming bad?
The process, right, you have said it. The commissioner says, Cherera says, the process was opaque.
Yes.
That we are here and we cannot see what is being done here, but we are required to endorse what was done without our knowledge.
Who will listen to you? Who can listen to you? Ojingo Odinga is like the England team, soccer team. Team ya Bungereza temanyi mupira. Egenda ne badokita simanyi no wabuddo no wani. They always use excuses to cover their defeat. Mwaka wangu la World Cup simeka. How come that Raila every time he contests he cheated?
Okay, now that elections are over, let us set up ourselves.
Yes.
No,
it doesn't matter because success has many fathers, but failure is an orphan. Nabaganti today, nobuuza omuntu n'omugamba singa Museveni yakukubira essimu mu 8 nga agenze mu nseko tinjagala kusulako wuwo walikoze eki
tewali andikiriza
but today akugamba nti singa yajja ewange nali muwadde. No, the situation has changed. That's what I tell you. Tinsekera bana ba traffic mbo accident evudde ku ndima yevuwa ku ndima buli kaseera. Nobody can be a witness at an accident. An accident is not stage managed. Ekirigenze tewali amanyi owa boda abadde ayitawo agenze yo olumala okukozinga accident n'akola ki ente ebadde eyitawo egenze kakati whoever comes waliwo ojjukira olunaku lubwe bagamba nti
how simple is it for Ruto to run a government where half the population did not vote for him?
No,
he got 50, the other got 50.
Rules of the game. There was a time when the whole of northern Uganda, actually Lango, West Nile, Museveni was not getting votes. Governor 5%. My concern is nti abamuwanga 5% teyabalowoozako alowooza ku bamama amabiri abamulwanyisanga. And Museveni is a honest man. Yagamba nti yalaba bamama amabiri nga bamugoba. These were colleagues abatisanga abantu. If you give mama amabiri money, what have you given to the pioneers abatembuzi abaleta NRM mu Tanzania?
As a political scientist ogenda kuandika ebitabo by'ebyobufuzi bye tulifaringako.
Yes.
You need to make some of these statements clear.
Yes.
You said Museveni is an honest man.
But
he has said these statements 4 times.
Museveni is an honest man.
So where is the honesty now?
He tells you when these people were chasing this woman, Mama Mabira nange nga namukutteko mukuba. Kubanga Mama Mabira ne Luchamus ne Mbidde incited the people against Indians. Nebakuba ne babatta. Mabike nemukwata bwenti Mabike ne tusinka nemukuba ne mutta. Why? Kubanga Mabike incited Baganda ne bagenda balumbe yunebu nti sebagala ino obuyigize nga tabuyina. Ne batta Abaganda 10. Nemukwata ku bwenti Mabike mukwate. N'omuleeta Mabike mukuba.
On Baba
so
TV.
We must be honest people.
At
what level do we forgive you?
We have a
you already did this.
We'll be right